Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Oppo Reno 7 Lite. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Following that, you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and finally allow. Now select Receive on Oppo and Send on Motorola. After that, you need to select all of your files that you wish to transfer by clicking on all of those dots. Then selecting Send. I will send only one file, just for example, so I have to click on my photo, click on Send and tap on Got It. Over here on Oppo, just no thanks and close this window. After that, finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and click on Receive, but we can also scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Oppo smartphone, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our camera at the code. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!